Is it heavy rain? Is it a
Yeah,
heavy? Oh, you have a heavy rain.
wet rain.
Mhm. Mhm.
I'm wet rain.
All right. Yeah. So, yeah, I think it's um this this month is already a rainy day or a rainy season, right? So
Mm.
Vietnam and Philippines is near each other, so it's close. That's why if it's rain on your country, so it also here in Philippines is all also raining.
Oh,
Yeah. All
same like
right. Mm-hmm.
in
Same.
I mean Vietnam and Philippines are the same climate.
Yeah, same climate. So uh correct me if I'm wrong. You have also two season, right? Rainy and sunny.
Uh, yeah, in South Vietnam,
Mm-hmm.
in the South,
South
uh,
Vietnam.
yeah, there are two seasons.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
it raining and
Raining and summer. So how about in your on your place?
dry and raining.
Ah, dry and rainy. So how many season do you have there?
Uh, you know, the north, the north the north of Vietnam
Mm-hmm.
have four season: spring, summer, winter, and sorry, I forgot. the last
Winter, spring, autumn,
autumn. Yeah,
yeah, and
but
summer.
yeah, but in the South Vietnam, in the South Vietnam have two seasons. To you know one is raining for a long time, then sunny.
Sunny day.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Now I know. Thank you so much for sharing. All right. Okay. So, what kind of season do you like the most?
Naryn.
Yeah. What season do you like?
I like
Sunny day,
I
sunny,
season.
rainy, autumn, or what else?
I think um I like spring spring
Spring.
season.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because when spring I can holiday
Oh.
have a holidays in Vietnam. In Vietnam, holiday so long, 2 week.
Ah. All
I can,
right.
yeah.
So most of the time, if spring, you have a lot of you have a lot of you have a lot of holidays. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's
And
why.
yeah, and the
Go ahead.
weather and spring weather is so nice.
Ah, yes, spring is nice weather. Yeah, me too. If have maybe if have a spring here, so maybe I would be choose a spring season. But yeah, we don't have. we just have we just have rainy day or rainy day and rainy season and a summer season. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're lucky. You have a season. You have spring.
Mhm.
What activities do you usually do during spring? Yes, Rain. What activity do you usually do during spring?
Hmm. Spring I can meet my friend, go to picnic and I can travel in anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Oh.
with my friend, my family, and when spring um we can not working. I have many free time.
Mm-hmm.
I can work. I can do everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So in a short term or um in short, you can do anything you want
so
during spring, right?
yeah.
Wow. So hope all. So thank you so much for that. So you usually do picnic and go hiking, right? During spring.
Yeah,
Hiking.
hiking.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you like hiking?
Uh, yeah, I like hiking. Me and my boyfriend so like hiking. When I have free time, I usually go to hiking.
Wow. All right. So,
Yeah,
do you like adventure places? Yeah. Oh.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, me too. But I'm scared walking in the window. So I don't like to walk in the window. It's actually, but if we have, so if I have if I have a tour guide or something knows, and I know that I am safe, then yeah, I can walk in the window. But if not, then no, I don't. I will not walk on the window. All right. Thank you so much for that, Rain. How about you, Mr. Tommy? How? Yeah. What did you usually do during spring?
Okay. Do you, Evelyn, do you know about Tết holiday?
Date?
Tết, Tết holiday. Tết holiday.
Uh, okay. Could you please type it in so that I can search it? Thank you.
Yeah. You know about lunar calendar?
Ah,
Yeah.
lunar. Yeah.
Uh, when the first day of the lunar calendar, the new lunar calendar
Mm-hmm.
is we separate the Tết holiday for
Mm-hmm.
yeah for you know that is big festival in Vietnam. Um, yeah, a big festival in Vietnam.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that festival come in spring.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we have a lot of day off.
Ah, it's a Tet holiday. So Vietnam traditional Tet holiday. So yeah, you
Uh,
mean Tet holiday. Ah, also known as Vietnamese Lunar New Year.
yeah,
Oh, all right. So that's what we call to you, Tet
so
holiday.
yeah, so we like all the people in Vietnam like Tết holiday because yeah we can off work for a long time. Yeah, we can come back the my hometown, our hometown to meet our family to take a rest.
Mhm.
Yeah, to the ring beer alcohol with our relative.
Mhm.
Yeah, Yeah, we have a lot of activity in this festival. Yeah, you know.
Oh, all right. Yes,
Yeah,
I understand. So in short, during lunar holiday or Tet holiday on Vietnam, you can have a long vacation. Is that
yeah,
correct?
that's right.
Yes, long vacation. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, yeah. I guess
Yes.
understand.
Okay. Yeah, I input it incorrectly. I edited. Okay, so thank you so much for that. Yeah, I just known that um it was called Tet holiday or a lunar new year on Vietnam. So what is or which year or which month do you celebrate Tet holiday?
Um, with what?
All right.
Sorry.
So, yeah, when or uh
Ah,
what
okay.
month do you celebrate Lunar New Year or
Yeah,
Tet holiday?
yeah. I am. You know, I can not to say exactly the day.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, yeah, by the normal calendar, because you know mm, the that time it's calculated by some way that I cannot understand that so, I can say it's normally it got normally separate in the in February.
Oh, February. Yes, as I
Yeah,
can hear, as I can see here, so Tet Festival in Vietnam usually falls in late January or late mid-February. So
yeah,
yes, the dates are from vary from year to year. So it's not do you mean is it has no specific date, but it has in a mid late of January and February. So it's
yeah,
supposed to be yes. So first week of February, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Normally it's
All right.
yeah separate
Mhm.
on February.
Ah,
It,
all right. So how long? How long does Tet Festival or Fiat no, Tet holiday in your country? How long or how many weeks? Is it
yeah,
weeks?
yeah. You know, we often of work for 5 to 1 week, 5 days for from 5 to 7 days of work for this festival. But you know the high time for this festival is for 3 days. The
Mm-hmm.
first day, second day, and third day.
Oh,
Yeah,
so it will be on the nearest to the
yeah,
date of the festival. Or a new year, or a new lunar new year. So here in our country, we have New Year, but I think it's all not all the countries are celebrating New Year as a January. So yeah, we always celebrate our New Year at January 1st. Okay,
yeah,
so we celebrate that. So we have a specific date of New Year here in our country. So if I know, also in Asia, so Asian countries, they celebrate also at January 1. Yes. And
Yeah.
yeah, we usually have our holidays for, yeah, for 1 week onwards, like that. So we have
Yeah.
Christmas. Do you have Christmas too? Do you have Christmas? Rain? Do you
Uh,
have Christmas?
okay.
Yeah, Christmas. Well, Mr. Tommy have Christmas.
Oh, why you don't have any Christmas, Rain?
Yeah, because um, in Vietnam, uh, in Vietnam, many many people have not lost because he have Buddhist, you know, Buddhist.
Ah, all right. So yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Uh,
So
mm,
yes.
okay, I can say something about that. You know, yeah, in Vietnam is different from Western country, the Western countries. So mm, the Christmas day is not a holiday in Vietnam.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Ah, all right. So yeah, you don't have Christmas. So some people also celebrating
uh,
Christmas. There is nothing
it,
Christmas.
it is not an official holiday in Vietnam, but we and I and Narin, we are
Celebrating it.
yeah, we are Catholic, you know, Catholic.
Oh yeah. Me too,
So
I'm Catholic.
yeah, so we are on separate is, but in Vietnam the government it not yeah, the treatment that not a holiday official day in Vietnam. Official
Mm.
holiday.
Okay, so some are celebrating, some are not, right?
Yeah.
All right. So yes,
Mm,
I understand. Okay,
yeah.
so yeah, I know not all of the people, not all of the people or not all of the countries celebrating Christmas, because I know is because Christmas is just only for Catholic Christians, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah.
And it is depends on what is your religions, right? So yeah, if I know Muslim country don't celebrate Christmas
Yeah. But
because of their traditions. Yes,
yeah.
Mr. Tommy.
But I often opt that holiday because my boss is Australian, so he will that holiday, so we will accept for me
Mm.
of that day.
Oh, yes. All right. Yeah, I know, but because if yeah, if your boss have that kind of holidays, then of course all companies have that holidays too, right?
Yeah, but, yeah, but I can add him before for that.
Yeah, I understand. Thank you so much for sharing those to me. All right. Okay, so yeah, do you have something to add about our holidays?
Okay, um, I have question. In Philippines, it have um winter holiday for 2 weeks at the same the Western country.
Oh, actually, we don't have winter. So we didn't celebrate winter season. So we have a lots of holidays like Valentine's, Christmas, New
Oh,
Year. Yeah, we have a lot of that, but we don't have winter holiday. Yeah, because
ah,
we are not experiencing snowing here.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, that's
because
why we don't have snow or we don't have winter.
yeah, because I know about the Western country such as the Australia are have 2 weeks of
Mhm,
work from before
mhm.
Christmas Day to the New Year Day, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yes, we have a long vacation during um how is it? Holy Holy Friday, Holy Thursday, Holy Saturday, and yeah, what I mean is Holy Week. So we have
Ah,
that here in our country. So that is called Holy Week
oh,
or holidays. So this is yeah. Do you know this? Okay, so we have this one on here on Philippines or in most of the Catholic person or
ah,
Catholic.
it
Do you know Holy Week? Do you have Holy Week too?
I you mean ah tuần thánh, yeah,
Yeah.
it yeah it the week the Jesus from he come to the Jerusalem to he died, that right?
Yeah. So the Holy Week is the Jesus Christ or Jesus Christ diary, like what it's for the short term. So it is Jesus Christ from he start or from he born until he died. So that's why we have a long vacation on this day. Yes,
Oh,
that's what it's meant. All right, but in other, so as far as I know, we don't have any long vacation except of yeah, maybe Christmas. But Christmas is just only 1 to 2 days, and then for New Year we have 1 week. But for Holy Week we have 8 days to have a
oh,
rest. Yeah, so
yeah.
this is our long vacations. Yes.
So don't you come to the church in that holiday?
Yeah, actually, um during Holy Week, I'm not going on the church. You know why? Because it's too crowded. So, yeah, as like me, I have a daughter, I have a small baby. If I go to church with a crowded place, so yeah, my baby will cry. Maybe then because it's too squeezy, like a lot of
Yeah,
people coming there. So I'm
yeah,
not usually going church during Holy Week. Yeah, I will
yes.
go there after Holy Week. So
Okay, okay. I
yeah.
see.
Yeah, because I'm always, um I always looking or I will always thinking my kids if it is convenient or it's inconvenient to them to go to the church on that time. Yeah, we can pray at home. Yeah, it's fine, right?
Yeah,
It's
I
more
think
safetier.
I think it's right because the God harm everywhere. Yeah,
Mhm.
uh, he can stay in your house, not only in the church, so it's okay.
Yeah. Yes, that's right. That's why I'm not usually go to church because in my own, yeah, I can pray at home. So we
Yeah,
don't need to go at the church in physical church, right? So we can come sometimes or maybe some of the day if you are alone or like example me and my husband only, so we can
yeah,
go together. But if with my children, no,
yeah,
because it's danger to them if I will come with them. Yeah,
yeah,
for yeah, if simple or it's a simple day or a regular day, yeah, we can come together as a family, family bonding or not family bonding. It's what I meant is it's a family church day. Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, we have
I,
that day, but not for yeah, for a Holy Week.
okay, I see, I see.
All right. So
In
thank you
the
so
whole,
much.
yeah, in the Holy Week, you can stay in the house because the God um, will always, the God it always stay around you. Yeah, it's okay. Not yeah,
Yes. Yeah, I know. That's why I always said that, yeah, we don't need to go every time. All right. So thank you so much for that. Okay, so do you know Valentine's Day? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day?
Narin love it. Narin like it. I think Narin gives a lot. Right.
I think yeah, I
Mhm.
think teacher and Mr. Tommy so surprised because I don't know holiday
Oh.
is this is Valentine, but because I think every day every day is Valentine, not this
Oh,
holiday.
Wow. Wow,
Yeah.
that's nice. Oh, hope all. Yeah, because for us, we can in my side, so of course I can receive flowers, chocolates, or something gift to my husband during Valentine's.
Yeah. Uh, s- uh, so I say with my boyfriend, this is holiday. He cannot buy because so expensive. Every day he can give me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
get
of course.
it's kid now. The kid is
Uh,
now. The kid the kids in eating enough for you,
Is enough for you? Is it
right?
enough for
oh
you?
yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, because
I,
every
I hope
day this is
I
special day.
I hope my wife is the same you.
Wow.
Only only kissing.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Timmy, so you can yeah. So Rain said that it's his boyfriend or her boyfriend always giving her something. Okay, even it's not holiday. So for her, Valentine's is every day, not just a holiday. So it's an everyday. Wow. Because for us, we can have a Valentine's once a year, but for you, you have a Valentine's every day. Bravo.
Wow.
So sweet. All right. How about you, Mr. Tommy? How many times did you have a Valentine's Day?
Um, I don't remember. But I'm not a romance person. So
Mm.
yeah. So I am. I always forgot that day. You know.
Mr. Tommy. So your wife is waiting for your gifts or something like a simple chocolate or a piece of flowers on Valentine's Day, and then you will forget.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But
So
you
Rain,
know, mm, but the recently, I am. Yeah, I have um a big step. You know,
Mhm.
a big step. So I yeah, I think now currently I remember is merged from year from the year ago. So I am trying.
So you are trying. Oh, that's nice. So keep trying, Mr. Tommy. No worries, it's okay. So yeah, we can forget, but we don't lose it. Okay. So
Yeah,
yeah, so that was, just for me, okay, as a woman, or how to say, so as a lady, or as a woman, as a wife, um yeah, for us, maybe a simple present that coming on our husband is very important and very romantic for us. So yeah, I suggest you that, yeah, for a simple present or simple chocolate, like a piece of chocolate you can give, so it will be meant to her.
yeah,
So like Rain, you see, even it's not too expensive, then but her boyfriend is always giving to her every day is Valentine's to her.
yeah. I see.
Yeah.
I am trying. Trying. You know, uh,
You-
before I have one do anything romance do any romance thing, but in recently I am uh my going my going uh don't lie me my going hate me. I yeah I
like you change your
uh,
you change your
I buy,
attitude.
yeah
Yeah,
I
like
buy
before you are romantic, you are
yeah
always giving a present, but now you like, oh, it's
yeah
okay. We
I,
are already husband and wife, right?
yeah I can buy some small thing for her, so I feel it is good. Yeah,
Yeah.
she she was happy mood,
Mhm.
so I think I will continue do it in the future. Yeah.
Yes, of course. You know why? Because small things will be meant to her. Yeah. So it's not say that you will give it an expensive things, but at least in a small thing you always remember her. So it means you love her, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's yeah, because my husband, if yeah, even a small things, even it's not my birthday, if he has, or like example, he has extra money, or he has something to see outside, so yeah, he will buy. So sometimes he buy fruit, he buy biscuit, yeah. So he buy some drinks. So as a simple present. So yeah, does it's like it meant to her, or like for me it's meant to me that when he is coming inside our house, he will give me something, like, something, um things, or some things that it makes me happy. So yeah. So when you do that, Mr. Tommy, next, how's it? Next Thursday. So we will ask you if what is your wife expressions.
Okay.
You will buy for her something like even the small things like a small biscuits or a small how's it small chocolates this thing I think. Yeah. So
Yeah.
it will be meant to her. So maybe she feel romantic and very feel blessed because so she have you. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Thank-
So my my running nose is okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. Okay. So yeah, I think we have already done to holidays. Okay. What would you like to talk about?
Noreen.
All right,
Yeah.
Ray. What do you want to talk about?
Uh, I
Excuse
wanna.
me.
I want. Um. I have a question. I wanna. Uh. In Philippines, relation. What relation mean? How many relation in Philippines?
Religion?
Religion.
All
Yeah.
right. I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, I think it's a lot of religion here. So yeah, because there has a small religions coming here in Philippines. So I don't think so if how many, but it's a lot of religion here.
Mm.
Yeah. All right, one more time. Sorry.
Yeah.
What religion? Yeah. Uh,
The most.
The most? I
can
think
you
it's
Yeah.
Catholic.
can
Catholic
you
is the most.
Ah. Yeah.
Yeah. And here in Philippines has a combined religions. So they have okay.
Are you okay?
All right, I'm so sorry. Okay, so here has Muslims, Catholic, Christians, what else? Yeah, sometimes I hear Buddhism, right?
Yeah, I
So
know.
yeah, I hear that one here. I think it's Chinese also is a Buddhism, right?
Oh.
Yeah, and Chinese, I think, and Japanese. Is that correct?
Mm.
Yeah. So they have so because there has a lot of people here. Even Philippines is a very small island. So yeah, but there has a lot of people and there has a lot and mixed oh why okay, one moment. So my laptop was okay. So here, so yeah, I think I don't remember or yeah. Let me search how many religions. Yeah, I also I also curious how many religions here.
Religion. Mm.
Yeah, so here, so as they said, so the characteristic if so for Roman Catholic is 78.8%. So for Islam is that is Muslim people, so 6.4. Yeah, so there has a lot of Muslims here. And for yeah, Iglesia Ni Cristo, I think that is have a big church. Do you have Iglesia Ni Cristo there? So yeah, they have 2.6%. For the Seventh Adventist, yeah, so they has a lot. But that is not only so see here. So have a lot. So here, this is the religious. So first the Christianic, 31.1% for Islam. So see, so that is only in some religions or some islands. So we have Islam, a religion, Hinduism, and Buddhism, folk religions. Yeah, we have a lot. So yeah, I can't say a numbers of a religious here. So yeah, you know what? I have maybe Iglesia Ni Cristo. What was it? Chris. I have six religious already. Come with, you know. But I'm always stay uh at Roman Catholic because I'm born as a Roman Catholic. So of course I will die as a Roman Catholic. Of course I'm not saying that their religion or the religious is not good, but of course yeah, I'm listening to them, but I always stay as a Roman Catholic. So yeah, it's not bad if we will listen to other religions. So we will keep listening so that we can compare. So what is the correct and what is wrong? What is the different and what is the same? So yeah, for me is that is my reason why I am listening to other religions. So I just curious how they gathered, you know
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm.
that's
Yeah.
why I'm always, when I was young, I always come over to gathering. Yeah. So I have six religions already to attend. Yes.
Attend.
Yeah, I already attend six religions. I
Mm, sorry, what is attend?
attend like how is it? Attend.
Itu.
Like I will, if like example gathering, I attended to their
Ah,
meeting. So it's attend or a present, my present to attend.
Catholic.
Catholic, yeah. Catholic,
Okay.
Seventh Adventist I already. Iglesia Ni Cristo, this one. Okay, and what is it? Yeah, I forgot, but it's already six
Mm.
religious. Yes.
Uh,
Yeah. But I'm curious to attend or to have a lesson to Islam religious, and of course Buddhism. So I'm curious about that. So yeah, I didn't experience having a lessons or having church gathering for that um religious. Yeah.
okay.
So
But
how about you? Did you attend or did you have some church gathering with other religious except of Catholic? No.
yeah, we are the Catholic member, you know. uh,
Ah.
my father and my mother mm, are the Catholic, Roman Catholic.
Mm-hmm.
So when I got born, I am, mm, sorry, I need to search it.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, when I got born, I, tourism,
Tourism.
tourism,
Okay. Could you
tourism.
say? Okay.
Yeah. I mean when I when I was born, my parents bring me to the church, you know. So I Baptist, you know, Baptist.
Okay.
So
So could you write down so that I can search it for you? Yeah. Even
yeah,
even in Vietnam language. Yeah. I can.
I give a rock. I give a right in the group to the group. Yeah.
Baptism. All right. Yeah, I know it. Baptism.
Yeah, I mean, when I was born, my parents bring me to the church. Then I uh,
Baptized.
and then go to baptism. So yeah, so I am a Catholic member. You know.
Okay. Roman Catholic
Yeah.
baptism.
Baptism.
Yeah, or christening, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is how Roman Catholic baptize their kids. So yeah, that's why I am telling you that I have 6 religious attended their church or their gathering. So
Yeah.
one of the church I'd attend, some of the person they baptized is older.
Yeah.
Yeah. But on Catholic, okay, so when your baby is still young, you must to baptize it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But in other church or other religious, it's okay to them to baptize older person. Yeah.
When you grow, when you grow up, not a child, yeah, you can go to the baptism, but other way.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, me too. Because yeah, my kids or my children, they baptized
For
maybe they are 1 year, 1 month, 2 months.
yeah,
Yes. So they are so young when we baptized them. Okay, I
yeah.
don't know if I have here. I have pictures when they baptized. Okay, let me see. Mm-hmm.
Ceremony.
Oh, yeah, just only this one. Okay, just only this one I have. So, okay, let me show you this one. So this is my baby when she will. Okay, so that is my youngest baby.
Oh,
She baptized last year. Yeah.
the rich,
So
the
yeah,
returning.
yeah, christening.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So I made that invitation for her. So yeah, she is maybe 1 month old on that time.
Well,
Yeah,
one
but
month.
on that picture maybe she is 2 weeks, 2 week old. Yeah, when we have photo shoot to her.
Uh,
Yes. Mhm. Yeah,
Two,
so that
not 2 weeks, not 1 month.
no. So she is 2 weeks at that time in this picture.
Uh,
So yeah, when she will have christening or when we baptized her, she is already 1 month.
I see, I see.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, on my other babies, yeah, on my other folder, but this one only I save on my laptop because sometimes my friends always asking me to do some how's it edited pictures. Yeah, so I made this one by my own. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, very
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, because
Lovely.
if you will ask someone, if you will pay someone to make invitations for you, so it's a lot of money. So yeah, I just keep saving money for so it is simple and yeah, I
Yeah,
can do it. So yeah, it's not bad if I can save money for these small things, so I can do.
yeah, very
Okay.
nice.
Yes. Okay. So thank you so much. Yeah, so she's cute at this time, but now, oh my gosh, she is very naughty. Yeah. Mhm. She's very naughty
Yeah,
at this moment.
she's very cute.
Yeah. she's very
Thank
she's
you.
very small that time. She's like, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and mhm. Yeah, I don't know. All right, so thank you so much for that, guys. Okay, so where we are now. So which one or what? hmm Window. Okay, so all right, what do you want to talk about? So before, yeah, so we have maybe a few minutes. So which one do you want to talk about?
Yes, it's Nori.
I I don't want to talk about. I think today today I want to rest. Yeah.
You want to rest.
Yeah.
You you can choose you can choose one in the in the page.
Yeah, you can choose it here. hmm So I think mhm, we can have beach. All right. So no, exciting. How's it? Exciting. Okay, so let's have behavior first.
Yeah.
All right. So what is the good behavior? Okay, what is the bad behavior for you? All right. So let's have Mr. Tommy. Now we have a few minutes. We have 7 minutes left. Okay. So,
Very good.
how about you, Mr. Tommy? What good behavior you have?
Oh, um, yeah, I think the simple, the simple thing is say hi to anyone you meet.
Oh, so you're friendly, you mean?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
How about bad behavior with you?
I did,
Yeah, bad behavior.
I did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like example, your behavior, like what did you what is the bad behavior what is your bad attitude? So it's as simple as that. So what is your bad attitude that um
Uh,
you can't control?
yeah, I cannot control. Yeah, the activity I cannot control is uh when I angry.
Oh, you're angry, right? When you are angry. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I cannot control my mm,
Emotion.
yeah, emotion. What I say. Yeah.
So
So
what you think you can say?
yeah. So I think I it bad behavior.
For you.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Me
Yeah,
too.
but also after that, I feel I feel not good. I
You
I
feel
wish
guilty.
I can do it again. Yeah, yeah. That
Yeah, you feel guilty at that time. Yeah, I feel you. All right. Thank you so much for that. How
yeah.
about you, Rain? What is the good behavior for you?
Good behavior. Yeah, I think I can smile. I can surprise. Mm, oh, so that's all.
So, are you friendly? Are you helping for the charities? Will you?
Yeah, so when I meet everyone, I can smile. Because I don't know, I say anything.
Ah, so like you just only smiling when you are looking at someone. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is your good behavior. All right, how about your bad behavior?
I think I um sometimes I angry. I think angry not good. When when I know I feel I think slowly and smile. I keep silent. I not speak when I angry.
Oh, so you're just keeping in your mind your angriness. Is that?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, so you can control your angriness.
No, uh, must every time I sometimes I angry. I so
So
yeah.
what is the worst thing you made during when you are at the time you are angry? What
Yeah,
is the
under
worst? What is the worst thing you do during in the times that you are angry? Did you
uh,
hysterical? Did you broke a vase or did you broke your phone? What what did you do? Nothing.
no, because I'm poor. I'm poor. I have a phone, so I not I not go.
So did you pull someone here? Did you punch? Did you
No,
pitch? No.
I never because so
So you are
when I
still
angry,
good.
yeah, when I angry, I think I keep silent. I think me slowly, not speak. Yeah.
So yes, that's nice. All right. So thank you so much for that, Rain. Okay. Do you have any questions, guys? So yeah, we have a few minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You tell me you
Sir Tommy, do you have
do
any
you want speak?
questions? Do you want to say something?
No, no, no.
Nothing.
I sorry. I talk. You say you want to finish the lesson.
No, no, no. No, I'm not saying that way. No, I'm saying that yeah, because yes. So Rain is always already sleepy. You are also tired, of course. yeah, so our lesson is out or time to end. So yeah, I'm just asking for you if you have any questions. So I will ask you even a few
Okay.
minutes more. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Wow.
right. I don't have any question.
Don't be shy to ask something. No, it's okay. So you know me, I can answer your questions even it's our lesson time or
Yeah,
even end of time.
yeah. Okay, I will when I think it out.
All right. So guys, we will continue this lesson or this lesson on Thursday again. So yeah, so think about it. Okay, so we
Yeah,
will discuss it next week. Or no, next day. All
okay.
right. And do you have questions, Rain? No more. So she wants to
No,
sleep.
I have no questions. Yeah.
I want to sleep now. All right. So since you don't have any questions and our time is over, guys, thank you so much again for having this night and yeah, a lot of fun. So yeah, so very natural conversations. So like we are not learning, but of course we are learning. So I hope you can have a new lesson or new experience for this lesson today. All right,
Yeah.
thank you so much, guys. So enjoy the rest of your evening. Good night and have a nice day or have a nice week. Have a nice night.
Yeah.
Good night and see you on Thursday. Good night.
Good
Uh,
Thank
night.
you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.
uh,